Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice chute flapper assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the ice and water dispenser control assembly. With the screws unthreaded, pull the assembly down, disconnect the wire connector, and release the wire from the retainer. Next, unthread the two screws securing the ice chute flapper and motor assembly. Pull the assembly down. And use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab on the back side of the wire connector to disconnect it. This may require some effort. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the left side pin to release the flapper assembly. Remove the ice chute door spring. To prepare the new ice chute flapper assembly for installation, apply tension to both ends of the spring as you slide the spring onto the post and insert the long end of the spring into the notch in the flapper. Holding the short end of the spring back, align the flapper pins in the holes in the flapper and motor assembly housing and insert the short end of the spring in the notch in the upper retainer. Reinstall the ice chute flapper and motor assembly by first reconnecting the wire connector. Then align the assembly and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the dispenser control assembly by reconnecting the wire connector and securing the wire in the retainer. Feed the water line into the hole in the assembly as you insert the tab on the rear of the funnel into the slot in the dispenser housing. Rethread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.